Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So the steps are very much simple. First of all, make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on the icon bar. Go to the Facebook. Here we go. Once you enter here, make sure you are signed in there and just tap on these three lines at the bottom right and just scroll down below. You will see a settings and privacy down. Just tap here and tap on this settings. Just scroll down below. In this audience and visibility, you will see a blocking options in the down. Just tap on this and here you can see a person whom you have blocked currently. So you can simply unblock this person by tapping on this unblock button. Just select this unblock button at the right and again tap on this unblock button. That's it, the person has been unblocked. So this is how simply you can unblock someone on your Facebook. So hope this video helped you a lot and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe before you go.